Welcome family, friends, and loved ones, as we are here to celebrate the love and marriage of Kyle and Tina. Many of us have known them for several years. We watched them grow up, we went to school with them, we worked with them, we shared our lives, and in return they have shared our love with us. So it is that Kyle and Tina present themselves to be married today, surrounded by the people they love the most.
Quiet on the waterline reminds me of a simpler time. Beauty in the letting go, skipping stones and marigolds, talking for a memory. Remind me of what used to be. Beauty in the letting go, skipping stones and marigolds.
Tina, I cannot believe that today is finally here. It feels like we have been talking about this day forever, and now, in a few hours, I am going to get to watch the love of my life walk towards me to become my wife. To say that I feel like the luckiest man in the world right now would be the biggest understatement ever. You are more than I could ever ask for, and I feel so unbelievably grateful that you chose me to be your husband. You are honestly the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I promise to always pursue you, to fight for you, and love you unconditionally and wholeheartedly for the rest of my life. Love, your soon-to-be husband.
Kyle, I can't believe our day is finally here. I'm so excited to be able to call you my husband. I'm still in awe that you picked me. I feel like the luckiest girl in the world. I can't wait to see how handsome you look today and see you at the end of the aisle. I love you more than all the moon and the stars in the sky. Love always, Tina.
It's my honor and my absolute privilege to be here today, marrying Kyle and Tina. Two people I have come to love as my very good friends. I have known Tina for 15 years. And with 15 years of friendship, especially starting in the early years of your life, you see everything. The good, the bad, the joy, the pain, the highs and the lows that come with being friends for so long. And it is because of that I am in a unique position to say that I have never seen Tina happier than when she's with Kyle. As I'm sure many people here today can attest, the love these two share is palpable. And because the love they have for one another is so strong, the people in their lives are all the richer for it. So to my dear friends, I thank you for allowing me to be here with you today. And I can't wait to see the amazing life I know you both have ahead of you.
Can we just slow clap for Nikki Z and the team? Oh my god, did he do this? God. And he took those pictures, right?
Yep.
Are you impressed?
Yes, I am.
Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. That's a necklace that he gave me years ago.
We often look to those we love and trust to offer their words of advice. And no time is more important to ask for advice than now, moments before you're about to be married. Tina's parents, Dominic and Lori Cartano, married 32 years, offer this advice. Always be best friends. Remember to laugh often. Treat each other with respect, patience, and love. Kyle's parents, Bob and Brenda Bauer, married 30 years, say, acceptance of who you are as individuals and as a couple, quirks and all. Humor. Make sure you laugh with each other every day. Marriage is a commitment to life, to the best that two people can find and bring out in each other. It offers opportunity for sharing and growth, a joining that is promised for a lifetime. Within the circle of its love, marriage encompasses all of life's most important relationships. A wife and a husband are each other's best friend, confidant, lover, teacher, listener, and critic. Marriage encourages and nurtures new life, new experiences, and new ways of expressing love, which takes a lifetime to fulfill.
Kyle, you have the kindest heart. You constantly see the best in every situation, and your optimism and caring nature are contagious. You make me the best version of myself. I'm always better when you are around. And coming from someone who can never make a decision, I can tell you that marrying you is the easiest decision I've ever made.
Tina, I'm so honored that today I become your husband. I never could imagine that beautiful girl I met at a party nearly 8 years ago become the person I truly cannot live without. The way you look at me, yes, just like that, is something that I never imagined I would find in my life. You have given me more love and kindness than I ever thought I would deserve, and helped shape me into the man standing in front of you today. You're the most caring, selfless, talented, and amazing human I've ever met, and you make me a better person every day that I'm with you. You know me better than anyone else in this world, and despite all my faults and imperfections, you love me so deeply and without hesitation. You're my best friend, the love of my life, and there's honestly still a part of me that cannot believe that I'm the one that gets to marry you today.
You have kissed 1,000 times, maybe more, but today the feeling is new. No longer simply partners and best friends, you have become husband and wife. Today your kiss is a promise. You may kiss the bride.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Bauer.
You got me feeling weightless, no gravity. I feel so hurt when you look at me. Caught up in your sweet, sweet fantasy.
You know, having that relationship with my brother and being so close all the time, and then seeing Tina come into his life. I remember 8 years ago when Tina first, showed up. I'm a little protective, I gotta say. He's my best friend. I'm gonna be like, you gotta be good for him. And you know what? You met and exceeded all expectations.
When Kyle asked me if he could marry my Tina, I did not even give him a chance to finish his request. All I recall saying was absolutely and shook his hand. Kyle, what could I say? You are one of the most respectful, trustworthy, kind, and generous young men I have ever had the pleasure to know. And I know that you will always be there for Tina.
Tina, you're an incredible, thoughtful, smart, engaging, beautiful woman. And Kyle, you're a very lucky man to have her. It's not easy to find the right person to spend the rest of your life with. But I believe that you and Tina have really found that in each other.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in introducing the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Tina and Kyle Bauer.
Tina is not the same person she was before. I say that in the best way possible, and it's because she met Kyle. After meeting Kyle, she started to flourish and has become happier and stronger every day since. Thank you for being such a wonderful person, for being the gentleman that Tina deserves, and for being the man our family always hoped Tina would end up with.
And I need you, love, I need you here with me. And I don't care about much else. When I'm feeling your love, it's like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go. I won't give up, I won't lose. When I'm broken down and I'm bruised, I'm gonna give myself back home to you. Only you.
I promise to laugh with you, dream with you, and fight for you through whatever life may bring. And of course, I promise to always answer yes when you ask me if I want to watch another episode of The Office. And even when the day comes that we are old and gray, I promise to always see you with the same eyes and the same heart that I see you with at this exact moment. I love you so much and I can't wait to be your wife.
I promise to always dance with you, even though you insist that I have no idea what the beat actually means. I promise to always be your biggest fan and encourage you to use that beautiful voice to sing your heart out even when you don't feel like it. I promise to always encourage your creativity, even if that means covering every single thing we own in Ray Dunn font. And even then when the day comes when we're old and gray, I promise to always see you with the same eyes and the same heart that I see you with at the exact moment. I love you and I cannot wait to be your husband.
I can't give up and I can't let go. I won't give up, I won't lose. When I'm broken down and I'm bruised, I'm gonna give myself back home to you. And I need your love, I need you here with me. And I don't care about much else. And I know it's hard for 5 million reasons, but I don't think I could wait.